When something on Google search crosses a legal line, you don't have to just accept it.
Google's legal removal request system lets you report content that breaks laws in your country, whether it's due to copyright infringement, a court ruling, or counterfeit goods. In this guide, we'll walk you through when and how to submit a legal removal request to Google, what to include, and what to expect. How to submit a legal removal request to Google. What is a legal removal request? A legal removal request asks Google to take down a search result or piece of content that violates local laws. Unlike other tools, this process is based on your country's legal framework. Depending on the issue, removals may only apply to users in your country. For more information about Google's policies, visit their Transparency Center or the Legal Help Support page. How to delete Google search results, a step-by-step guide. When should you use it? Use the legal removal process if the content involves a court order ruling, that the content is unlawful, or copyrighted material taken without permission. It also covers counterfeit goods or impersonation, and content that bypasses copyright protections like cracked software. Each request type is handled differently depending on the legal issue. Here's a breakdown of the types. You'll need to include the full URLs of the content you want removed and a detailed explanation of why it's unlawful. Provide evidence of harm, your contact info, and in some cases, a government-issued ID to verify your identity. Step 1. Visit the Google Legal Removal Troubleshooter. This is Google's central hub for legal takedown options. Step 2. Choose the type of request. For a court order, you'll need to provide a full copy of the signed order. For copyright infringement, submit a DMCA takedown notice explaining the issue and listing the infringing URLs. You can also file a counter notice if your content was removed by mistake, or report tools that bypass protections via the circumvention form. Use the counterfeit form for fake products. For trademarks, Google recommends contacting the website owner directly. If the content is defamatory or harmful, use the other legal issue form to describe the violation in your country. Step 3. Fill in the required information, including your legal basis and authority to act if filing for someone else.
Step 4. Attach supporting documents. Most legal requests are denied without proper documentation. Be sure to upload clear, readable formats like PDF or PNG.
Step 5. Certify that everything is accurate. Be aware that false claims can have legal consequences. Step 6. Submit the request and wait for a response. Once submitted, Google will review your request. You'll get a confirmation email with your case number. Processing time varies from a few days for counterfeits to over 10 business days for counter notices. Legal other requests vary based on complexity. If approved, the content will be restricted for the appropriate audience. For expert help with reputation management, visit erase.com.